In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, share, and edit snapshots in GoHighLevel. We'll start in a sub-account, switch to Agency View, build a snapshot, share it with a link, and show the right way to update it. From your sub-account dashboard, click Switch to Agency View. In Agency, open Account Snapshots and click Create Snapshot. Give it a clear, descriptive name your team will recognize, then select the sub-account that holds the assets you want to package. Click Next. A snapshot is a bundled copy of your GoHighLevel setup. Things like funnels, websites, workflows, campaigns, pipelines, calendars, forms, and common settings. It lets you duplicate a proven system across clients, keep a portable backup, and speed up onboarding. Because the platform is compiling many items, this step can take a while, so stay on the page until it finishes. To capture everything at once, choose All Assets, then click Create. While it builds, remember that snapshots reduce manual rebuilds, minimize mistakes, and make it easy to roll out consistent updates across accounts. When creation completes, locate your new snapshot. Click the three dots to open its menu. Choose Share Snapshot, and then click Get Link. GoHighLevel will generate a unique import link. Anyone who opens that link while logged in can import the snapshot into their account and follow the prompts to select where it should go. This is ideal for collaborating with partners or distributing templates to client workspaces. Click Copy to grab the link so you can send it by email or chat, and click Close when you're done. If you need changes later, you can't edit a snapshot directly. Instead, return to the original sub-account, make your updates, adjust funnels, tweak workflows, or refine forms, and test them. Then go back to Agency, open Account Snapshots, and create a new snapshot from the updated account. Most teams treat each release as a new version, so add a version number or date to the name. That way, everyone knows which one is current and what to deploy. After your updates are validated, head back to Agency View and build a fresh snapshot so your latest configuration is always ready to share. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.